Hi ma, pa. Yan, namin sa Verizon Center. Lakers versus Wizards. Na, Gasol. Pau Gasol, wow, counted. In the lineup, Gasol, Bynum, Artest, Fisher, and the MVP, Kobe Bryant. Whoa, foul. The foul's Kobe. Yeah. Watuyuan, nabanggaan. Nice kay mang kuan diri ang venue. Perting daghanas tao puno kay LA Lakers may gadula. Pam nan-on ta diri pohon. Pohon. Counted 3 points by Caron Butler. Number 3 from Wizards. Bola sa LA Lakers gidala ni Kobe. Pasa ni Gasol. Pau Gasol 1-on-1 Kobe. Here's Kobe. Oh! Bola sa Wizards. Out ang Lakers. Lubong kaya ang score is 69 Lakers, 56 ang Wizards. Wala mang good si Gilbert Arenas kay na suspended. Oh, lupigon yun sila. Kuyo kayong Lakers. Mike Miller scores. Mike Miller forward from Washington Wizards. Here's Kobe, passes the ball to Bynum. Bynum to Gasol. Gasol 1-on-1. Foul. Let's take a break.